How to sign up for Disney Plus. First, you want to make sure that you launch the Disney Plus application. Then you'll be redirected to this type of interface. If you already have an account, you can just tap on Login. That is going to be at the bottom of the screen. This is the issue for me, that is probably due to my region. Now that you want to sign up for your Disney Plus account, you'll see the option of sign up now in a big blue box. Go ahead and click on that. Now you'll be redirected to this page where you have to type in your email address. Make sure that you have access to that email. Once that is done, click on Agree and Continue. The app is now going to ask you to choose a password. Once you've selected a strong password for yourself, go ahead and finish creating your account. You may also enter your payment details. That is if you want to subscribe to its premium version. Once you've completed the process, you would have successfully signed up for Disney Plus. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.